Oh wait, yeah, we got introduced.
Did you start it? This is Bell Bells.
My puppies.
And we're going to be running with Doggy Tweets.
And she'll be trying to catch us.
Come on. We gotta run like crazy. This is not necessarily going to be funny, but we're going to try our best.
It's just an experiment. Do it, Bell Duck. No? Do it. Come on. Come on.
Looks like she's pooping.
The girls. Come on.
Uh-oh. Hey, Bella! Oh, she's speeding up. She's speeding up to get her presents.
I got her. Yeehaw!
No, my doggy treat. This looks like a pretzel more than a doggy treat.
Don't eat it. It's actually supposed to be chicken. Doesn't smell like chicken.
It smells like beef jerky. I scared her.
Bella,
Ooh, feisty.
she needs to get real angry, that's how.
Come on, Pappy. Come on, crack pickaxe.
Oh.
You know you want it. She's like, let me eat it. Oh, she's getting angry. Oh yeah, this is Funny Friends 11, by the way. Bubbles! 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 Bella? He has a hold of it.
Oh, she ripped off a little bit. Let's do that again. Oh.
Oh, babe. Come here, Bella.
Hey, Bella, crawl.
Yeah, got my tweets. Oh! She took all of my tree. Aw. Oh, well.
You're not even filming good.
Yeah. Oh.
Boop. That's the nub. That's the nub. I want the treat. I want the treat.
You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you want. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're gonna stop the video. We're gonna stop it.